Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve document production part of paper May June year 2025. So let's start. First in the task 1 we'll make the evidence document. So open the file J2521 evidence.rtf. Make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. That means we'll set the header. And save this document in your work area as evidence followed by candidate number, for example this. So for that we'll open the evidence document. This is our evidence document. So here we'll go to insert, we'll add the header, we'll write our name, center number and the candidate number. Okay. And save this file as our current folder. Asking to save in the evidence and our candidate number. So we'll write our evidence, candidate number 1 2 3 4. Okay. You will need your evidence document during the examination to place. Okay. Now come to the task 2 document. You are going to edit a document about exam. The school uses a corporate house style for all its documents. Paragraph styles must be created and applied as instructed. 1. Using suitable software package, open the file examininfo.rtf. The page setup is A4 landscape orientation and with 2.5 centimeter margin. Do not make any changes in this setting. So we'll open the file examinationinfo.rtf. Enable editing. Okay. So this is page layout. Page layout size is just A4. Will not change. Orientation landscape. Margin we have seen. Will not change anything here. Now 3 paragraph styles have already been created. So there are 3 paragraph styles are created already. Will not change anything here. Now okay, 3 paragraph style already have been created. Do not make any changes. Save the document in your work area with the file name exam guide. So we have to save this file by name exam guide and make sure it is saved in the format software you are using. So will not change anything. Okay, we'll go to file, save as, the current folder, with the name exam guide dot dox because I am using the file this Microsoft Word, so I will use docx file exam, save. Okay, and place make sure it is saved and place in your evidence document screenshot to show the file has been saved. So we'll take the screenshot from our evidence. This one, exam guide, and it is saved in our format. So we'll take the screenshot by using Windows Shift S or just simply print screen and paste in our evidence document. So this is saved. Now by this we finished our first one. Now come to the second. Place in the exam guide document a center aligned header with automated page number. So we'll insert center aligned header with the automated page number. We'll just add the header, insert header. We'll take 3 columns. So in the center we'll have to insert the page number. So we'll go to page number and insert current position. I'm using this number. Okay. A right align footer on a single line with the text produced by followed by a space, then your name, center number and candidate number. So in the footer, go to footer, right align produced by space, our name, comma, center number, comma, candidate number. Make sure that all alignment match to the page margin. No other text or placeholder are there included in the header and footer areas. Header and footer are displayed in all pages. So all placeholders will delete. Don't want anything else. Okay. So now page number and this is coming in each pages. So by this we finish second also. Come to the third. Select the subheading general and the following text up to the end, including the paragraph ending the evidence provided. Change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 2 cm space between the columns. So we have to search from heading, subheading general. Okay, subheading general is here and till the evidence provided. So we'll search Control F, the evidence. Okay, till here. So we have to use till here from general to till evidence provided. Till here. It should be appear in the 2 columns. So we'll go to layout, page layout, columns, and we'll go to more columns. Then we select 2 columns and the spacing between 2 columns is 2 cm space. So we'll write here 2 centimeter. We'll see the width automatically will changes. Okay, selected text only because we have to apply 2 column only selected text. Okay, so this is now in the 2 column width. Okay, so by this we finished third also. Now come to the fourth. Apply a bullet list to the text from the mobile phone to ended electronic devices. Enabled electronic devices. Format the bullets so that the bullets are indented 2.5 cm from the left margin. The list in a single line spacing with no space before or after each line, and there is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. For that, we select these are the list that we have to put the bullet in that. So we'll go to home and we'll apply the bullets. And now we'll go to paragraph. We'll change the settings, what they are saying. Bullets are indented 2.5 centimeters. So here we'll write 2.5 centimeter. And before and after no spacing and single line spacing we need. So just press OK. So now from the left it is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, and now they are asking third. There is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. So for that we can select a line from here, then we can go to paragraph, and then we select before 6-point here, and then OK. So now we can see it is 6-point, or we can do another way. We select the last bullet, we select the last one, and then we go to paragraph, and here in the after we can add 6-point. So the result will be same. So there we can do either way. Okay, by this we finished fourth also. Come to the fifth. Locate the table in the document, delete entire row and contents for the subject business unit. So the table, our table is here. The business unit, this entire row we have to delete. So we'll select the row, right click, delete cells and delete entire row. Okay, so now full row has been deleted. So fifth also done. Now come to the sixth. Sort all the data in the table from Math Paper 1 to Combined Science Paper 3 into ascending order of the exam date with the integrity maintained. So from Math Paper 1 to Combined Science Paper 3, that we have to sort, and sorting with the integrity maintained. So we'll go to layout. In the layout we'll go to sort, column 1. We have to sort by column 2 because the date is in the column 2. So we'll select sort by the column 2 in the ascending order. Now OK. So we can see all has been changed, the time and all has been changed. So we can see here in the 6th, we finished 6th, all the dates according to their time and session has been changed. Now come to the 7th. Apply to the table 0.5 point grid line to the cells. 3 to 4 point external black borders. 0.5 grid line. So we'll select this table and we'll go to design. From the borders we select inside borders. Inside borders are the half point. Yes, 0.5, that is already half point. Okay, now 3 to 4 point external black border. Now 3 to 4 we select 3 point borders outside border. So these are displayed when the table is printed. Okay, so by this we can see finish 7th also. Come to the 8th. Format the first row of the table so that it becomes a single cell. Okay, so we have to merge all these cells so it will become in the single cell. So we'll select all the cells of the first row and right click and merge cells. We bring in the center, the text cell is centered vertically and horizontally and it has a gray 20 to 40% background fill. So should be horizontally and vertically centered. So this one is the center horizontally and the vertically. So we select this, come in the center and again we'll go to home to fill this with the gray 30 to 40%, 35%. Okay, so now this is also finished. Now come to the 9th. Apply the X table style to the row 2 to 12 only. Row 2 to 12. So row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have to apply the style X table. Okay, we have applied. So by this 9th one also finished. Format the table so that all the text in each row display on one line. The table border and all the data fit within the column width. There is a 6 point space after the table. So it should appear in the single row. So we'll just increase the width of this. Now all the rows appear in the single row. All data appear in the single row. And then after this table, this text we need 6 point space. So the same that we did before, go to paragraph, click here on the first, then click on here and before we'll just try to the 6 point. and OK. So by this we finished 6th also, 10th also. Come to 11th. Create and store the following style basing on the default normal paragraph. Style name subhead, font style sans serif, font size 18. So you go to home, then style, this arrow will click, then here down new style. The style name is subhead. So we write the subhead and style type is paragraph style. So we leave sans serif font and font size is this. So the font style is sans serif. So that is the Arial. And the font is 18. Alignment center, bold and underline. Alignment center, bold and underline. Single line spacing. So for that we'll go to format, paragraph. Line spacing single, before and after spaces 0 point. So we'll do it 0. Okay. So this is our style. Take the screenshot, shows that you have defined the settings except head style. Make sure that evidence have that you have based this on default and normal paragraph style also. Okay. So just accept head style. Just click modify. You will take the screenshot of this. You will paste in our evidence document. Evidence document 11. We paste here, and for the paragraph style also we take the screenshot. So go to format, paragraph, where we have set the 0 and the single line spacing. Just take the screenshot by Windows Shift and S and paste in our evidence document. Okay. Okay. So by this 11th also we finished. Identify the 4 subheading in the document and apply the X subhead style to each one. 4 subheadings will identify this. First subheading general. So we'll apply X subheading general. Second is some room. Then spatial arrangement and attendance. This is our 4 subheadings. So by this we finished 12th also. 13. In the last paragraph, locate the text results nomination form. Format this text so that when clicked it, open the document with the file name J2521 results.rtf. Locate the text result nomination form. In this result nomination form, that will select, so Control F, result results nomination form, results nomination form, yes. As here, locate the text, format this text so that it can click to open the file. This, take the screenshot of the evidence showing the result nomination form link to the correct file. So we'll select this result nomination form and we'll go to insert hyperlink documents in this existing file or web page. So or j2521.result.rtf will locate that file, this file. We take the screenshot of, so we'll go to hyperlink again, result.rtf. We'll just take the screenshot of this, Windows Shift S, take the screenshot and paste in our evidence document. Now we'll just click on that and we'll check the result file will open or not. Press Control and click that. Yes, this result.rtf is open. So now by this 13 also we finished. Come to the 14. Spell check and proofread in the document. Make sure the list and table are not split over column or pages. There are no widows or orphans. There are no blank pages. The original styles are maintained. Spacing is consistent between all the items. We apply spell check here. So we'll go to review, spell and grammar. Web is coming, so no need to check it. Web enabled, ignore. This is also to be ignored. So there is no. List and tables are not split over the column or pages, that we have checked. Now widows and orphans, we'll check. cannot see any widows or orphans because this paragraph finish here and this here. So, but in case if any widows and orphan is there in the document, for that we'll select the entire document, Control A, and then we'll go to paragraph, and in the paragraph here in line and page breaks, here windows and orphan controls, will just select that and press the OK. If any widows and orphan is there, then it will set automatically. Okay, so now no widows and orphans are there. Save the document using the same file name and format used in the step 1 and print the document. So we'll save this file, save, and we print the file, print. 2 pages are there, and print. By this we finished 14, and by this we finish our document part of the paper 2025. Hope you understood. If you have any doubt, please do comment and like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.